Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a lion unicorn, so let's get started. To draw this uni lion or lioncorn, or however you want to call it, let's first start by drawing the nose and mouth area. So we're going to start right here with an oval. So I'm just going to start with my curve at the top. And then I'm just going to round it off and connect it. And then from there, let's come to the top right here in the center, and we're going to draw another curve really close to the top. And then let's bring it together to the center. So we're starting to draw the nose. And since I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and shade it in. So I'm just going to give it a little highlight, a little oval at the top, and then shade the rest in so you can see a little bit better. Then from there in the center area, let's bring down a straight line. And from there, let's come out with a curve on both sides for the mouth. There. And you can cap it off if you like on the ends. Okay, so now we have this in. Let's come to the sides right here. We're going to draw the eyes. So about right here, I'll start with a circle close to the mouth and nose area. We're going to draw a circle. And same thing on the other side. So say about right here. And then let's go in there and make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come right here and put two small circles inside for highlights, and then a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So thank you for all your love for my unicorns, and I think I did a panda corn, I turned I think it was a narwhal into a unicorn. So this one here, I wasn't sure what to call it, but it's a lion that wants to be a unicorn. Okay, so the eyes right there, and then let's go to the top of the eyes, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve above each eye. From there, let's start to draw the face. So I'm going to come to where we drew the eye. In the center of this eye, I'm going to come out. So say about right here. And I'll just give myself a point. And the same thing over here. Just a little bit space. And so I know I'm just going to draw a curve around. So let's come right here. And we're just going to draw a big curve around. And it's going to be pretty close to the mouth area. So let's bring this curve down, flatten it out. And connect it. There. And then from there, let's come to the top. So we're just going to go up right here. It's not going to be too tall. Shallow top right here, so about right there, I'll just bring it in. And connect. Because I want to give a lot of space for my mane, which is the main part right here. And then from there, now that we have that in, let's come to the top, right, find our center. And so about right here, I'm going to start to draw the horn. So I'm just going to give myself a curve right there. And I'm going to find my center and go straight up, say about right here. And I'm going to round off the tip right here and come down with an angle on both sides. And then let's come inside, and we're just going to give it some curves, give some detail and dimension to our horn. Okay, so then from there we can start to draw the mane. So let's come to the horn right here, say about right here, and I'm just going to start to zigzag my way down. So I'm going to start on this side. I'm just going to go back and forth, and I'm just creating this curve that comes to kind of to the center, to the bottom right there. So let's go back and forth. And I'm following this curve as I go. So as I come to this side, just keep coming down. And I'm going to get lower and lower as I come down to here. So about right there, I'm going to find my center. So I'm just, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw my last curve coming to a point on this side. So then let's start on the other side. So same exact thing. I'm going to change it up a little bit so it's not so stiff. So same thing, we're just once again following. And let's bring it down. And let's see here, keep bringing it down. So now once again we're aiming for that, and on this side I'm just going to curve and give a little bit curve right there to bring it to a sharp point. Now that the mane is done, let's come back up here in this corner right here, and we're going to draw the ears. So say about right here, I'm just going to pop out a curve. And I'll just come in here with another curve, some details, and we're going to do the same thing right on the other side. So I'm just dragging a point across, so it's a little bit easier to figure out where to put the ear on the other side. So from these 2 points, just like the other side, I'm just going to connect it with a curve. And the inside. Okay, so now that that's done, let's draw the body. I'm going to center the body, so let's say about right here. And here. Give myself 2 points. And from those 2 points, I'm going to come out with a curve. So this is a very simplified body. And about right there, I'll stop, and I'm going to draw the foot. So in this area, I'm going to draw kind of like an oval, a big oval. We'll start right there and come around. So it's a little bit wider on the top and thinner down here. So then let's do the same thing on this side. So now that these 2 points are at the same level, we can go ahead and do the same thing. So start our curve and bring this down. So I'm going to come over here to make sure I'm about the same level. And connect it. There. And then let's come in between, about right here, and I'm just going to connect it with a soft curve for the bottom. And then let's give some details. Oh, well, you know what? Let's draw the hands first. So about right here, I'm just going to pop out a curve for the hands and in. And then let's come about right here and softly, I'm going to draw another line. So just so I can give it a different color right here for the chest. And then let's draw the details right here on the foot. So in the bottom right here, I'm just going to draw a big oval. Oops. And then right here we can draw 3 ovals. And same thing over here. So this one is horizontal and these are vertical. There. And then if you like, you can give your lion unicorn here some wings if you like. It's going to come out right here and pop out a cute little wing. It's a very simple little wing, so it's just 3 curves and bring it in if you want. So right here, I couldn't resist. That'll be extra cute. So same exact thing. I'm going to bring a point right here so I know where it ends. 2 and 3. And almost forgot the tail. So let's come right here towards the bottom. I'm going to add a little tail and then connect it with a curve, and let's come out with a little curve and wiggle, wiggle, kind of like a paintbrush, and connect it. And last but not least, of course, we have to give our little lion unicorn here a heart. So now it's my Draw So Cute uni lion. So there, hope you loved how this cute little lion unicorn turned out, and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.